Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Media Encoder. This essential application is your go-to for converting and optimizing video and audio files for any platform. It's designed to handle a wide array of formats, from high-definition 4K footage to web-friendly standard definition. You can efficiently manage multiple encoding tasks, freeing up your editing software for continued work. We'll cover the fundamental steps to get your media processed quickly and correctly, ensuring your projects look and sound their best across all devices. Once you launch Adobe Media Encoder, your first step is to bring in your media. Head over to the Queue panel, which is your central hub. You can simply drag and drop your video or audio files right into this area. For instance, you might add a 10-minute video clip or an entire season of a show. If you're working in Premiere Pro or After Effects, you can send your sequences directly to the Media Encoder queue with just a few clicks, streamlining your workflow significantly. With your media in the queue, it's time to define your export settings. Click on any item in the queue to reveal its settings panel. Here, you'll find a vast library of presets, perfect for platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or even broadcast television. For example, you might select an H.264 preset for web delivery, targeting a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can also fine-tune parameters like bitrate, frame rate, and audio quality. Then save these custom configurations as new presets for quick access later. Before you hit encode, make sure to set your output destination. This is where your finished files will be saved, so choose a location with ample storage, perhaps a dedicated folder on an external drive. Once everything is configured, simply click the green Start Queue button. Adobe Media Encoder will then begin processing your files, whether it's a single 2 GB video or a batch of 20 smaller clips. You can track the progress in real time and even pause or reorder tasks as needed, ensuring efficient completion of all your media exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.